Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can remove the emojis from your photos in CapCut apps. So open the CapCut apps and swipe down and you can find the photo editor feature. Just click on it. Okay, select your photo that you want to edit. Just click edit. So as you can see the photo, in the photo there is emoji and I'm going to remove it. So how to just cover up the emoji using shape. Just click shape and select the shape. For example, going to select the circle shape. Just click check mark and then just change the color of the shape. Select the pencil icon. Just click on it and make a new color and select the color in the photo. Okay, for example, select this color and adjust it, adjust the shape and just click check mark and cover up the emoji using the shape. So just click okay, so that's it. Okay, but it isn't perfect and I think it's not bad. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. So thank you so much for watching.